How to turn off auto updates in Google Play Store. This tutorial will show you how to turn off auto updates in the Google Play Store. First, open the Google Play Store app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now select Settings from the menu. Next, go to Network Preferences. Here, tap on the Auto Update Apps option. You will see different update settings. To disable automatic updates completely, select Don't Auto Update Apps. After choosing this option, apps will no longer update automatically. You will need to manually update them by opening the Play Store and checking for available updates. Turning off auto updates can help you save mobile data, control storage usage, and decide when you want to install new app versions. That's how you can easily disable automatic app updates on Google Play Store. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple Android tips and how-to guides. Turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tutorials, settings guides, and smartphone tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.